Well, I have a problem. After 20 years, my mom finally got a new computer. And guess who she called to transfer the data? Me. She wants every photo ever taken, vacations, grandkids, grandparents, even videos from my childhood. All of it. This is literally gonna take forever. But maybe not. Luckily, I just got the new BENFEI 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. I just pop in her old drive, plug it in, and boom, external storage in seconds. No downloads, no drama. And it transfers faster than standard USB 3.0. So that means less waiting. And the enclosure securely holds the drive in place, keeping your pictures safe forever. And thanks to the dual USB-C to USB-A cable, it can even work on your MacBook Pro. Now, she's got all her memories back and I look like a hero. If you're the tech support in your family, you've got to get one of these. BENFEI is the real deal. Go ahead, grab your link in the description below and get yours today.